Nasa linya po ng ating telepono, Pamplona, Negros Oriental Mayor Janice Digamo. Nangunguna po siya sa Negros Oriental 3rd District Representative Candidate Race. Mayor Digamo, magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Yes, sir. Good morning po. And good morning po sa lahat na...
Opo, nangunguna po kayo sa bilang ng mga boto sa inyong kalabang si Janice Teves para sa pagkakinatawan ng 3rd District na dati pong hawak ng inyong asawa. Your reaction, please.
No. It's not my husband. My husband was governor, hawak ng mga Teves for the last 35 years.
All right, thank you. Thank you for that clarification.
Yes, so, what was your question again, sir?
Pag naiproklama po kayo, what is the first order of business for you?
The first thing I have in mind is to start planning on how to realize the PEP project that I have been talking about during my campaigns and rallies around the Oriental, around the 3rd District, turning the district into a smart city. Yes, we put the CCTV district-wide. May mga command center that will be under the command also of stakeholders in the community. Yung mga ganyan po, meron siyang anonymous reporting system that goes with the command center, and there will be reward system for the informant and the responder who will respond in the event that there is a crime that would happen, or the prevention of a crime because the responders arrive before the crime could happen. So that is my pet project. That is what I have been talking about when I roam around. And kahit nga hindi pa ako nagiging kongresista, may mga ginagawa na kami na mga batas na pwede nating isupport doon sa ating idea of turning the district into a smart city.
Mayor, tulad ng nabagitin nyo, matagal na hawak ng mga Teves ang posisyon that you appear to be on the way to win. Ano ho kaya ang magiging challenges na nakikita ninyo dyan sa bagay na yan?
Lahat naman ng bago, there will be a lot of challenges to meet. Pero when I was also a newbie mayor, parang ganun rin yung situation namin. We are outnumbered, but then eventually, basta pag ang kasama mo lang na nagtatrabaho is also looking forward towards the same goal, and that is restoring peace and order and bringing progress to the community. I think kaya kong makipagtrabaho kahit kanino. The challenges there would be to meet them halfway and yung adjustments na gagawin, because you will be meeting and working with new faces, new people.
Would you consider this bittersweet, kasunod po ng pagkamatay ni Governor Digamo?
Of course it is. I think even the victory is a shout out to the entire province and the country that the people in the 3rd District do not approve violence, do not like killings, and is really looking forward to live in peace. A stable peace in the province and in the district.
Opo. And panigurado yung mga constituents po ninyo dyan are looking forward dyan po for the promise of change that you bring, Mayor Digamo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you po.